Hello everyone. Today I am going to read out my own written creation on the topic There is a wisdom of the head and the wisdom of heart. Do share your views in the comment box. How was it? We must follow our heart, but don't forget to take the head along with it, says everybody. Why? If your heart is as pure as the bliss of sunshine and river Ganga according to Hindu mythology, then it will teach its pure soul to reach its destination, shattering through all the darkness of life. Most in common people say it's a parallel line between the both, the wisdom wrong, individually wrong. Difficult are the roads, but difficult roads often leads to beautiful destinations. It's a pure heart and soul which is the most powerful weapon to change the whole world. There is no comparison to the beauty of heart, the mind which holds the key to all the emotions and thoughts, but to act wisely teaches our heart. As food sustains the life of an individual, similarly, blood pumped by heart sustains brain. Sometimes the heart sees what is invisible to the eyes. Bridge heart and mind with the ambient music of your heartbeat, which is the most beautiful song composed by God. There comes time when we are left with no choice to utter a single word and faces dilemma whether to listen to our heart or our mind. Wisdom of head as well as the wisdom of heart are most sought after rarities in the world. Both the wisdom can be experienced by our soul while traveling on the path of journey of our life. The thinking heart is the source of wisdom and the master of brain. Corresponding heart is the master and the brain is the servant. Sometimes there comes a situation when you need to take a decision. If you listen to your brain, there might be the chances of losing your beloved ones. But if your heart is the voice of your core, it won't let you take the wrong decisions, as it is governed by your emotions and feelings. In spite being at the left side, it teaches us to embrace the right choices. A beautiful heart is far better than 1,000 heads. There is a wisdom of the head and a wisdom of heart. It becomes very difficult to choose between them. Look behind for once, a time to introspect and retrospect whether the decisions you took up till now burst from your head or your inner voice. What were the consequences? Sorry to take you to the flashbacks, but it was important to make you realize the actual beauty. By now, you might have been the master of your own will. It just requires a beautiful heart to see beauty in others. Let's do something different today. Get ready for a new journey to There is a wisdom of the head and a wisdom of heart. Everybody here is going to hurt you. You are all alone in your black and blue. Two kinds of people you will meet. One who are blessed and others bless us with defeat. They teach us a great lesson, understanding the essence of life is far beyond imagination. No one cares for your cries and pain. Don't let your tears go in vain. Stop it right now. Create your destiny yourself. God would say wow. Do your best to be a good one. One day you will just be in memories of someone. Do not look behind. Hug silence. I know you are not blind. But it's better to stay quiet. Why to prove somebody that you were right? The one who loves you doesn't need any proof. There is always going to be a flood only on your roof. The one who will hurt, they won't understand anything because their mind is overflowing with dirt. Life is a mixture of joy and sorrow. It depends on you how you want to create your tomorrow. Life is a never-ending race. Do good to everyone, not to bring disgrace. You have to pass every test. God is seeing. Don't think about them who hurt you. God knows you are the best. God is always there to share His blessing. He believed in you that you are strong enough to live. You will always be learning. Learn to live. There are many ways for you who are alive. Keep smiling from outside. Don't show others that how broken you are from inside. It takes a very strong person to forgive. Even after the continuous shattering of hurt, they still live. There still exist warm-hearted people in this cold world. To praise the beauty of their heart, I don't have a word. Hats off to them for having such a big heart. Those who live for others, they never depart. Beautiful scenery you will find everywhere, but beautiful hearts are rare. They never hurt because they know the pain their eyes had made a rain. You will always find the name of those who had heard them in their prayers. To build a true relation, it takes long years. Heart can see even what is invisible to the eyes. No one is there to listen to the deep cries. There is always a pool of sorrow behind a smile. They smile to hide their pain as they have accepted their seclusion to walk alone for mile and mile. Let's do something, a moment that changes everything. Close your eyes, look whether your heart cries. Put your hand on your heart, let all the emotions be apart. Ask your soul, did you hurt someone? Search any moment from the day one. A time for introspection. The one you made cry, learn to listen. Imagine how difficult the journey would have been when those little eyes betrayals were seen. God gifted you 86400 seconds today. Thank you or sorry, use one to say. It takes a strong person to say sorry. Requires a more stronger one to forgive, create a glory. A time to look inside the heart. Maybe there is someone breaking apart. Mend it soon before it's too late. No one waits when opens the demise gate. There is a wisdom of the head and a wisdom of heart. It's your choice which wisdom you go for. You might have been thinking very hard, where did I take you to? A strong apology for the same, but it was essential to take you to your inner voice of heart, which was lost in the crowd of the emotions and voice of others, like a lump of sugar in mouth. It's a humble request to you, don't let the noise of others' opinion drown out your inner voice. Learning is the best teacher, even when your pain is the preacher. So endure your pain, your strong heart and determination will help you to enjoy the essence of life and sweetness of the fruit for the seed you sow in your journey. After reading this, there would be many experiencing drought of others' voice. Rain of peace, tsunami of emotions, cyclone of thoughts, tornado of your inner voice. Your heart and only yours. Only and only yours. Being a little suckling of just 18, I'm not so experienced in the journey of my life. Everybody has their own perspective, and this is mine. There might be some who oppose me in this regard, but I won't stop listening to my heart's voice. Do think upon this journey where I took you today. Be wise enough to choose which voice you want to hear, your heart or your brain. And do think about those consequences, introspect and do retrospect. This piece of my work was written 2 years ago and I wanted to share it with you guys, and here it goes.